Hey there, and welcome back to Review Scout, where I break down the latest digital tools and money-making systems to help you make smarter online decisions. Today, we're diving into something that's really turning heads in the world of online income, a strategy that's helping people build digital businesses in just 30 minutes a day using something new. Probably never thought had this much value. PDFs. Now, I know what you might be thinking. PDFs? Really? Aren't those just boring digital files sitting in our downloads folder? But what if I told you those same overlooked files are helping people generate $500 to even $5,000 a day using a method called PDF flipping? That's exactly what the system is about. It's simple, it's smart, and it's designed for real people, not tech wizards, not marketing pros, just people who are willing to learn a repeatable process and apply it. The creators of this system have launched a 3-day masterclass, and right now, you can get in for just $19. That's down from $297, which is already a fair price for this kind of training. They've made it super accessible because they want more success stories, more testimonials, and more people proving that this method works. And judging by what I've seen so far, it really does. So let's talk about what this is and what it isn't. This isn't one of those sketchy get-rich-quick schemes. It's not going to ask you to buy ads, spam people on social media, or build complex websites. Instead, it's a framework that teaches you how to find existing digital content, usually PDFs that are free or low cost, and then enhance them using tools and templates. Once upgraded, these documents are packaged into products and sold online. It's all about elevating value in presentation, turning something basic into something sellable. The process is just 3 main parts: discover, enhance, and distribute. First, you identify PDFs that are underutilized but have real potential. Next, you follow a proven enhancement method, adding better visuals, structure, or even bundling them with templates. And finally, you publish and sell them through platforms that already have traffic. You don't need your own website, email list, or brand. It's plug and play in the best way. And let's not forget the huge advantage this model offers. It's algorithm proof. If you've ever tried to build a business using YouTube, Instagram, or any platform that relies on an algorithm, you know how quickly things can change. One update and your reach is gone. But with PDF flipping, you're not at the mercy of those changes. You control your content, your offers, and your profits. Inside the training, you'll get live step-by-step guidance. They start by giving you the complete overview so you understand how and why it works. Then, they teach you their quick flip formula, a technique that lets you generate income by spending less than an hour a day. There's also a focus on helping you set up everything in the simplest way possible. So even if you've never done this before, you'll be able to follow along without feeling lost. Then they take it up a notch with AI. Yes, you're going to learn how to use artificial intelligence tools to research, write, and design these PDFs faster. They even show you how to create high-ticket versions of your products that you can price for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And it's not theory. They walk you through real examples, live during the sessions, so you can see exactly how it's done. By day 3, they're showing you how to automate the entire process. From content creation to marketing, you'll discover how to let AI handle the boring parts while you focus on growing. This is where it becomes a real business, not just a side hustle. And just when you think that's all, they throw in 2 extra days of bonus training. You get deep dives into scaling your income, finding hot opportunities, and even live Q&A where you can get your questions answered directly. You also get access to some pretty impressive bonuses. First is a copywriting software that writes your sales pages, email copy, and even social media posts for you, fully automated. That alone is worth hundreds. Then you get 2 ready-made PDF products you can start selling right away. Perfect for beginners. You also get premium templates to make your documents look polished and professional, which makes a huge difference in perceived value. And there's more. They give you a complete niche research system, so you can find profitable markets to target. You get access to a private Discord group where you can connect with other members, ask questions, and share wins. Plus, they give you a custom GPT tool that finds profitable PDF topics based on trends, buyer demand, and low competition. And they even include a second login so a friend, partner, or spouse can go through the course with you at no extra charge. There's also a safety net built into this. They offer what they call a triple guarantee. You get day one to try it out, and if you're not impressed, they'll refund you. No stress. Then, if you follow the system for 30 days and don't make a sale, they'll help you personally and refund you. And if you don't make at least 10 times your investment, that's $190 in profit. Within 60 days, you get your $19 back. They're so confident in this that they're removing all the risk from your side. Now, I know a lot of you are skeptical. That's totally normal. But what makes this different is how it's designed around simplicity and leverage. You're not expected to be an expert. You're not being asked to spend thousands. You're being given a tool set, a roadmap, and real-world support. And if you're willing to show up, learn, and implement, the system does the rest. It's also incredibly flexible. Whether you want to create a new income stream, replace your current job, or just test the waters with a low-risk project, this fits. You can work from anywhere. You can scale at your own pace. And most importantly, you're building a skill that can open doors in any niche and at any stage of your life. So what's the next step? If you're watching this before July 13th, you still have time to grab your seat for just $19. Once that deadline passes, the price goes up and this offer closes. Only 500 spots are being offered during this promotion, and once they're gone, they're gone. All the links are in the description below. I highly recommend checking it out, not because it sounds cool, but because I've seen the value. I've reviewed the system, and I believe this is one of the most accessible business models for beginners I've come across. If you're someone who's been stuck trying to make money online, or you've dabbled in dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or selling digital courses, but didn't get the results you hoped for, this is a real shot at doing something different, something smarter. Thanks for watching this full review on the Review Scout. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe for more reviews like this, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future opportunities. Remember, smart action leads to real results. Grab the link below, secure your spot, and I'll see you on the inside. Until next time, stay focused, stay consistent, and stay ahead of the curve.